May profits be upon you. So how did I do with the Bitcoin trade? That lovely Bitcoin analysis and idea, and trade idea rather. Didn't do too bad, actually. Didn't do too bad. You see, I had very little drawdown, and price just made its way to the upside. All right. And I was actually thinking that price would aim towards the liquidity above these highs here. And we almost got there. I have a 7.78 TP, 7.78 R TP here. And we got to 7.5 before it turned around. But I do believe that price will end up targeting this liquidity here. But I want to take you into some detail of it. If you remember the video analysis I did, I told you I was looking for price to hit this order block here and give us a what do you call it? A reversal pattern. I call it a quasi or inverted head and shoulders, but I was looking for this pattern. Boom, 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 right? You remember that. Well, it's clear to see that I did get that pattern, which is why I was able to get that lovely, very little drawdown. We go here to that low, to this high, to that lower low, to a breaking of the previous high, and then a return to impulse. This is the originating order block at the head of this inverted head and shoulders or quasi, all right, whatever you want to call it, okay? And I said that we'd be going up from there, right? And that's exactly what happened. Bam. I mean, hey, look, man, sometimes when I get it right, it could be amazing. It's amazing when I get it right, really. But you see how we hit it, we hit that exact pattern. And that I'm happy for. This is a key pattern, folks, that I'm sharing with you because you're going to see that on every time frame. You will see that on every time frame, every time it hits an order block. You'll see that on the lower time frames where price shifts from a bearish momentum to a bullish momentum and then back to a bearish momentum. All right. You'll see how price does this little dance up there and then comes down, right? Does a little dance down here and then goes up. Does a little dance up here and then comes down. You understand? All right. I'll look for that pattern every time it hits a higher time frame order block. All right. Supply or demand. All right. When price hits those higher time frame points of interest, POIs, that's where I go to the lower time frames, the 1 hour, the 15 and the 5, to look for that pattern. And that allows me to have precision in my entries and very small stop losses so that I can have a larger risk to reward. All right. If I were to put my stop loss under the order block here, I would have had a 4.31 risk to reward, right? But because I went to the halfway mark of this this order block and put my stop loss below it, I was able to get it up a little bit better than that, to 7.8. I was trying to get 8 and I got 7.78. I don't know how I ended up with such an odd number, but anyway, that's how this one worked out, man. And I couldn't have been happier. couldn't have been happier for the results. Wow, what did I just do? So the way I like to keep up with my reward, my risk to reward, is by using the fib. I rejiggered it. I rejiggered it, and this way I can see what my risk to reward is. See, I got 1, 2, 3 R, 4 R, 5 R, 6 R. You know what I mean? You should hook it up. You should have one hooked up and saved like that, because it lets you know what your risk to reward is. Okay. And for those that want to see you know, the settings on that, there you go. All right, take a screenshot of that, and that's it. All right. If that helps you, you know, it's just a little tool I like to use. Okay, I am going to enjoy the new year, bringing in the new year, and I'm looking forward to more profits and sharing it with my subscribers and my viewers. So happy new year. May profits be upon you. And please be careful during your celebration. All right. Protect yourself, okay? A lot of craziness out there during New Year's, and COVID scares and alcohol. It can get kind of funky. All right. Protect yourself. All right. And I will see you in the next video.